Thank you for taking the time today and for allowing time for public comment. I was wondering if I could also have my husband come up with me. Is that okay? Okay, he's next on the list. My name is Amanda Zurawski. This is my husband, Josh Zurawski. I am the first named plaintiff in the aforementioned Zurawski versus Texas case, a case in which the Texas Medical Board is a defendant. I am very hopeful that the actions you're taking and that the clarity you're seeking to provide will help physicians understand when they can provide abortions, but I am skeptical. I'm curious to understand more why you're agreeing to address this now, when for years we've been asking for clarification from the legislature, from the courts, and or from you. So I am curious to understand what got us to this point specifically. I'm not a legal expert, I'm not a physician, but it does feel to me like a lot of finger pointing is going on. On the one hand, we have the Supreme Court telling us that this decision is up to you and the clarity should be something that you provide. However, today it sounds like you're saying the opposite and that it's not within your jurisdiction and that the Supreme Court should actually be the ones to make these decisions. So it's very confusing. And I would still like my attorneys to be able to review the full text of the rules, which so far they have not been able to do, because I'm concerned that the rules only repeat the language that already exists from other statutes and rulings. But in addition to repeating existing language, it sounds like it's now potentially going to add further burdens for physicians in acting through these documentation requirements. And to me, that sounds like it would just further delay physicians from providing the healthcare if and when they deem it necessary, sometimes to save a life or to prevent someone from almost dying, which is what happened in my case. Had my physician had to wait any longer, I probably would have died. So I am hopeful. I hope that you will help physicians in this state so that people like me don't have to continue suffering, and so that our future families are not forever impacted. Thank you.